Okay, I'm excited about this one. No longer can I hold my excitement back. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, the one on the left is which B? The one on the right, which A? Okay, so here are the major differences. This one here is in a cellophane with candy, a twist top, and these two are not. That was a funny. Alright, if you look at her rear end and where it meets the broom, if you look at the one on the right, you can see the little ball. If you look on the one on the left, her rear end covers the ball up. When you go up, the face is different. The one on the left has a longer nose than the one on the right. See that there? And then the top of the broom is a little bit longer. Then when we get up here to the top of the head, at the very top you can see it's wide. Very wide at the point, and it's a little bit taller, the one on the left, which B. The back of which B is the most fragile PEZ dispenser there is. If you have this dispenser, do not try to dispense candy out of it or test the head spring. That is one of the most fragile pieces right there, and it will snap off. This particular dispenser is in mint condition, and it is very awesome to be able to share it with you. And here we see the other side. When we compare them, you can see the one on the left is the non-shadowed lettering there on the P. Very different lettering side. And both 2.6 made in Austria. And when you compare them to each other this way, you can see on the face, the one on the left is a little more melty or droopy. But very cool. Very cool, because it's in cello, isn't it? So, just by looking at that, what did we learn about the witch's rear end? And her nose, and the top of her broom. So until next time...